Go.
Oh my god. Go closer with the camera.
Look at the one in the front. Beep. The fattest man in the world got knocked down.
Go closer. You look better on your phone. Wow. Now watch him take a dump.
Now he taking a dump. He looking. Everybody gone except for him. And he going to the sideline. But he didn't get it there. I'm the one who made the touchdown. He the one who did the crap task. That boy got his legs up like they hunching. What the hell?
That's why I kept doing that. Look, there he is. Ooh. What? They put off. Look at them.
Ooh, that was nasty.
Huh?